Hi guys, Dave Aguilera with you at Lockheed Martin. We're live on Facebook. If you have any questions, please send them in. We are touring this area because we're getting ready for the big GOES-R launch, which will be coming up later this month. GOES-R is the next generation of weather satellites that will go up and dramatically improve how we track weather, how we track blizzards, how we track tornadoes, hurricanes, just about everything. And we are here with a lot of the guys that are working on the satellite here, engineers and whatnot. Let me go through the names real quickly. Taylor. Derek. Steve. And Nick. And way back there is? Steve. All right. So you guys work on the satellites. Let's start with you. What is your job?
Technician. So we literally assemble the satellite from pieces.
And this satellite here is the GOES-S. So GOES-R will be launched later this month. There are actually 4 satellites that are the next generation of weather satellites. The GOES-R goes up later this month. GOES-S goes up in a couple of years, right? Next year. And then there are 2 other satellites that will be going up between now and 2019. And these are the guys that are putting everything together. So what is your job that you work on?
I'm a technician as well. I'm GOES-R. I'll be down at launch.
So what does that mean? A technician would do what?
We take what the engineers design and lay out for us, and we apply it to it.
Oh, beautiful. And if you're wondering about their suits, I know Halloween is over, but they have to wear clean suits. They're in a clean room. This whole entire room actually is pressurized, so nothing goes in. We actually have to stay behind this yellow line. It's like being at the airport. Stay behind the yellow line, right? So it's pressurized, so nothing goes in, pieces of our clothes or pieces of skin or whatever, dust. It doesn't get sucked into the room. Everything gets pushed out. And these guys, even if you go have lunch, you got to take the suit off and then put it back on and you go in there, right? Exactly right. So this is a really interesting thing. If you look at the satellite back here, we all kinds of different things on there. Can one of you kind of describe what's on there just really quickly from the front to the back?
Well, most of the scientific instruments are going to be on the top of the satellite. We have the antenna wings on the side. Come out. We have the size cabinet that's down here on this blanket. We have the GLM and ABI instruments on top. On the other side is the magnetometer.
So then the magnetometer would be watching solar flares and that type of thing, right? 28 feet.
20.5 feet, and it measures the magnetism of the Earth. In
Earth magnetic field, right? And then the lightning mapper, the global lightning mapper is on the bottom, right?
on top.
That's on top? Okay.
That's baseline imagery. That's and the GLM are all right next to each other.
Yeah.
GLM is the lightning.
So lightning mapper. So, and what's interesting about this is, like with the lightning mapper, it's so improved that it will improve lead time possibly on tornado warnings and that type of thing by at least 5 minutes ahead of where we're at now. So it's going to improve tornado time. Satellite imagery, like now we get satellite imagery almost like every 15 minutes. This is going to be like almost every 30 seconds. So a huge improvement, right? Yeah. That's a good way to put it. I hope you guys heard that. It's changing the whole weather game. It is. So this will be launched. They just moved the launch date. So it was originally going to be the 16th, and we've heard now it's being moved now. So
for this one, but for GOES-R.
For GOES-R, yeah. This one will be in a couple of years. So how long have you guys been working on this satellite?
I've only been with the company for about 6 months now.
6 months?
But I've been here with these guys working on this the whole time.
You've been on it? Who's been here the longest? How long have you been working?
I've been here for 9 years.
For 9 years. So you worked on GOES-R then too, right?
Yes, I worked on GOES-R, worked on other satellites.
Okay.
Other programs.
Did you do anything with Orion? You did Orion was
Juno, MSL,
man, that's pretty awesome.
GPS. Definitely experienced.
And then if you guys look back here too, you'll see the satellite is here, and then they have a vertical pad there. So you guys already worked on it vertically, right?
All the time.
And then you move. And how does that work?
We up in and go horizontal as we need to work on whatever access on the satellite.
You go back and forth.
Certain test configurations. This dolly here literally rotates down, so this spacecraft is vertical.
Okay.
So it's got a motor. When the satellite is vertical, that's what all that sand is access the satellite while it's vertical on top.
Oh my gosh. That's pretty neat. So do you guys work like a normal 8-hour shift?
We have 2 shifts right here.
2 shifts?
9 hours, well, 8.5 hours.
8.5 hours.
Second shift off when we get done. Until we get done.
So is this like your dream job?
Pretty awesome job.
Is it? It seems like it would be.
We're building spaceships.
Yeah,
Literally.
building spaceships.
Pretty cool.
It's just something that is such a small percentage of the population can say they work on. So for me at least, it's
Oh, yeah.
really an amazing thing.
It's so cool.
It's really a draw.
Yeah. What's the most interesting thing that you've worked on or found out?
Well, I've been part of the Goes R launch campaign, so I've been down in Florida, so even just seeing how it gets put and then encapsulated and how it's getting ready to go on the rocket later on, that's a huge launch.
So for you guys that have worked on all these, what's it feel like when your work gets launched up and gets
One of the most satisfying experiences.
Is it really?
You just sunk a year of your time and blood, sweat, and tears into that, and you watch it successfully go to space.
Beautiful. Well, thank you guys. We're out of time. They have to close the doors and get back to work. I really appreciate it. Good luck. Okay. So that's it. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you later from Lockheed. Hopefully we'll let you know what time